Today we're going to talk about panels. What are panels? What are they used for? Do I have to be a quilter to use panels? Now I have acquired a few over the years. I must admit they are still panels and not made into anything. But that's going to change because I'm going to make something in the next video. But today we're going to talk about what are panels. And maybe you're new to panels, or maybe you've seen them and you're like, I don't know what that's used for. Now panels are typically made from cotton fabric, and they are a pre-printed design or motif or image that can range from seasonal, children's, or just kind of home decor design. Now I have a bunch and I'm going to show them to you because one, they're beautiful. Mine are seasonal, and one is one that I got in Flamingo land, aka Florida. And we're going to talk about what are some things you can do with panels even if you're not a quilter, which I'm not really a quilter. Sometimes I think that quilters are more of a type A personality, and I am very much not type A. I am full on B. Okay, first I'm going to show you the panels I have. I have several different sizes so you can see kind of what we're working with. So this is my Flamingo panel. It is very vibrant, and what you can do with these is you can make them into the centerpiece of a quilted blanket. Or what I want to do is I just want to border it and then slap it on my wall and have this beautiful flamingo on my wall so that I can look at it at all times. I'll show you the bottom. It is so beautiful, but when you're not a quilter, you might be like, why would I buy that? As long as you know how to sew, you can use a panel. Now these next ones are from Christmas. I got these at the end of the season, so I got them for a good price. This one definitely is screaming like the center of a Christmas blanket. But it is so beautiful. Can we see it all? At the bottom there is cardinals, which I love cardinals in the wintertime. Now this one's large enough that if you wanted to just put some backing on this, you could use this as a seasonal toddler blanket. Like, it's that big. It could be for a toddler bed, or baby blanket, or just like a little play mat for, you know, a little one. Or you could have it as a big, huge wall hanging. So there's a lot of options with this one, but it is a really big one. Okay, the next one has two different sizes, and I will look at the fabric if you like any of them. I'll put the names of these fabrics down in the description box just because they might be somewhere. Like, I don't believe that you might still be able to get your hands on. If not, you'll be able to find the designer and then where to get them, okay? So, this is the next one. So as you can see, it's a smaller, like, kind of rectangle, and then at the bottom there's a shorter rectangle, which would be really good for, like, on a table. Like, if you have a square table, you could use that as your center. And I'm going to show you in my next video, when I actually sew up one of these, how to do it without having to do binding, which is something that most people do not enjoy. I'm still trying to find my love for binding, but it's just not working out. Okay, this next one, I feel like is the most versatile, and you could put it on so many different things. It has different tiny panels, or you can, you know, make it into, you know, a placemat with 6 or something like that. So I have 6, 12, 18, 24 little squares, or I could make 4 placemats with it. And I think they're just so cute and darling. Especially love, again, cardinals in the wintertime. That one down there. Isn't it so pretty? I love them. It says like Christmas spirit on it. 'Twas the night before Christmas, dashing through the snow. The little fox. Oh my goodness. So that's all the panels I have, which is a lot. I could buy more. They have some beautiful fall ones too. You can get them. Some brands will have like 4-season panels. So if you have a spot in your house, you could have 4 of them, and then you could do like summer, spring, fall, winter kind of thing on the, you know, just switch them out. Or you could do them reversible, so summer and spring for one, and then winter and fall in the other one, which would be super cute. Again, you're gonna learn how to do the non-binding version, so it would be so easy to sew up. But that is my little panel stash. So hopefully you understand what panels are. They're just a beautiful piece of art that you can just sew into anything. But I also believe that if you were handy, I bet you could like staple it onto a canvas, you know, like, and then you could just go get some of like a Mod Podge or something and then just like seal it so that it doesn't get like damaged. I don't know. It's an idea. So if you don't want to sew at all, that is something that that's a possibility. I don't know. But yeah, so I hope that you learned a little bit about panels, and then I hope that you check out the next video. If you haven't already subscribed, I hope that you subscribe and hang out, and then we're going to learn how to make a little hot pad, actually. It's going to be little and not intimidating, and we're going to use one of these super cute squares. So it's just going to be a little trivet, I guess, kind of thing, right? You make up a bunch of those, hand them out as gifts. I think it'd be so cute. So yeah, I will see you guys in that video if you are excited about learning how to sew up a panel without being a quilter. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope that you enjoy. Of course, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to follow me on any of my social media, those links will be down in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.